Hey guys! It's me again, Juvy, the Millennial Mom. You have read it from the title, it's another DIY video from your Millennial Mom. And as you can see, I am putting all together the cartolina strip that I cut earlier, and I'm just measuring the length that I need using my own head. And then all the materials that I used here are all recycled. I am attaching more strip to support the weight of the crown, and I'm just using the stapler to attach everything. So the base of the crown will look like this. Using an old Avon brochure, I cut it into small pieces to paper mache the base of the crown. To put it all together, I mixed 1 part of Elmer's glue and 1 part of water. And then I glued each piece of that small paper onto the base of the crown and paper mache it. Hello, Bella. So as a stand, I used this stick oak canister. I don't have a choice, this is all I can find, but you may grab something better than this one. Guys, I know it looks like a head cap now, but don't judge, I can pull this up. By the way, I made it 2 layers total and leave it overnight to dry, and then you may use a hair blower to speed up the process. I googled this Maleficent horn template, print it, and cut it. This will serve as a guide for my perfect Maleficent horn shape. Thank you, Google, and to whoever made this. Then just trace it to a cardboard and cut it. Ta-da! This is how it looks like. Today is my second day of DIYing this Maleficent horn, and as you can see, I'm just adding a tissue paper on top of this to make it stronger and stable. And I also made it 2 layers total. Since it's my second day today, I am speeding up the process by using my hair blower. Going back to this tiny little Maleficent horn, I attach a small crumpled paper to each side. Basically, I sandwich the cardboard with these crumpled papers, and this will serve as the horn. And this is what it looks like. Ta-da! Let's go back to this crown base. So I attach a small triangular piece of paper like that, and then made my markings where should I cut this, and cut it. Easy. Well, kidding aside, this isn't easy. This is very time consuming. Juvy, what were you thinking making this? We are almost there, guys. So now I was just attaching an electrical tape in here, and basically I was just putting all things together, making this Maleficent horn. Don't know if it's right or wrong, but as you can see, I am doing this. I am there, almost. Now I put on some garbage bag and taped it like that. As you can see, ta-da! Now, going back to the horn, I just wrapped around a piece of garbage bag to it and then glue it with a glue gun and a glue stick. Turn around again! Now, I am just figuring out where to attach the horn to the crown. Make some markings where to attach the horn to the crown, glue it with the glue gun and a glue stick, and some more of these pieces of papers. Then cover everything with a garbage bag, electrical tape, and some more tapes. Now I was just dotting a glue to this forehead side of Maleficent's crown slash horn to have some more details to it. Since the glue are clear, I cover it or colored it with a black permanent marker. And we made it to the top. Thanks for watching!